What's up, guys? I'm Samim. I joined Roota's course a month back, and last week I got a real client for my marketing services. I still remember the day that I joined the course. I was super pumped after seeing the webinar, and as soon as I logged into the course, I saw there was a mindset module. It had productivity techniques, goal setting techniques. I went through it, and actually I got one specific thing, a technique from that module, which I still use it to date, which has increased my productivity like 5 times or more. And I'm like, wow, my investment from the course is already paid off. Yeah, and then I started the course. I went through the Facebook ads module. I played with the sales funnels. I created a test campaign for my friend, and then a referral campaign for my mentor. I was surprised to see that my results came pretty close to industry benchmark, because there is a Facebook group which is part of this course where real digital marketers, students of the course, they post their experiences, they post their mistakes, and Roota jumps in and she replies to every single comment, every single thing, and she helps. And these things I incorporated into my campaigns, which helped me attain these results. And with this newfound confidence, I was able to pitch my services to um, one of the forums that I was part of, and I got a real client. And I was pretty confident during the discovery call, because this course has everything that you need. It has practical techniques. It tells you how to deal with the client. So I was able to craft a very good strategy for my client, and my client was, wow, this is great. Like, within this discovery call itself, I was able to learn a lot of things which I didn't know, and he immediately got on board with my services and became my very first client. Now I'm yet to actually get to the client's module, which means I haven't hit the marketing hard. I'm really looking forward to that to get really high ticket clients from across the world, working from anywhere. I can already see that happening thanks to Roota. And one thing I really feel is that this course is severely underpriced. Even if she had priced it 5 times as high, I would still end up getting 10 times more value than what I had paid for. So I recommend this course very highly for anybody who is fascinated or passionate about the location independent, schedule independent small business entrepreneur who want to be his or her own boss and live a freedom business lifestyle and be in charge of your own financial future. Highly recommended, 5 stars.